A quick tutorial on how I style this unit. After doing the mansion wigging, I trim off the excess wig cap using my scissors, and I make sure that I place these units on the block head. I use my office pin to secure the wig on the block head, and I make sure that I did the same for the nape to nape. So these are the materials needed for the styling. This tristem bottle with red cover contains water and Hawaiian silky. So I section out the closure part and combing out the other parts, and then going with my spray bottle, making sure that it's well wet. So now I'm going in with my hot comb to flatten my closure part. So I'm using the heat protectant and styling spray and then the wax stick. So I use this oil to rub the hair so it won't be dry. Then I go in with my hot comb to flatten the closure part. So I went in with my holding spray and then my Sebastian spray just to hold down the hair. Then I use my lace tint to define the line and the hairline. So I use my edge control just to make sure that it's well seated, and then I use my spray bottle on the closure parts where I didn't wet the other time. So after doing this, the last thing is to go in with my hair mousse, and after rubbing it, I'm good to go. So I think I used to use something. I use my detangler. A good hairstylist is key. Ask me why. This unit was sent in by my client requesting for a 5x5 closure ventilation coupled with mansion wigging and styling. I didn't revamp these units and see how it came and see how it's going back to my client. My clients love it. If you like what you see, what are you still waiting for? Send in your wigs. Let's transform it into a nice looking wig. We can't wait to have your bookings, and location is never a barrier. Bye.